Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free nursery videos from our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive more interesting videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we're going to be talking about kurtis with Banarasi Dupatta designs. Today I'm going to be talking about we can wear this combination and what are the designs and colors to include into your Banarasi Dupatta. So without asking a minute, let's get back into this awesome video. But before we do so, remember to like to our channel and also remember to subscribe to our channel. So friends, talking about wearing your weddings combination, you can try wearing this in weddings, traditional occasions, and for any other occasions. These gives you a perfect look and you're absolutely colorful and attractive. You can try wearing on various kurtis in the matching color or the contrast color of your Banarasi Dupatta. Talking about the colors to include into your Banarasi Dupatta, you can try going on always with a bright color like pink, blue, yellow, green, orange, red and purple. Talking about the designs, you can try going on peacock and elephant designs or flower-based floral designs. Now coming to the point of kurti, you can try going on with a kurti with beautiful sleeve designs and amazing designs to include to them. Or you can even try it simple and plain by adding a beautiful Banarasi Dupatta with various designs onto them. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. So remember to like to our channel and also remember to subscribe to our channel. So friends, you can purchase similar types of these amazing beautiful kurtis with amazing Banarasi Dupattas by clicking the link below the description box. Friends, you can purchase these on Amazon and they're absolutely beautiful. So bye friends.